Why most people will never succeed with PLR and how you can. PLR sounds like the perfect shortcut. Buy a product someone else already created, slap your name on it, upload it somewhere, and watch the money roll in. At least that's what people think when they first discover it. But after trying a few PLR products and getting no sales, no traffic, and no momentum, most people throw in the towel, assume PLR is a scam, and move on to the next shiny object. The truth is, it's not PLR that fails, it's how people use it that leads to disappointment. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which basically means you get permission to edit, brand, and sell someone else's content as your own. It can be a brilliant shortcut when used properly, especially when you want to build your product library fast or create lead magnets without spending weeks writing everything yourself. But without knowing how to use it the right way, it becomes just another digital file sitting on your hard drive collecting dust.
My desire for this channel is to help you create digital products as quickly as possible. I'll walk you through strategies, tips and tricks to be able to help you create your digital products. Products like video courses, ebooks, PLR products, low content books, along with PowerPoint tips, and we can't forget AI tools to be able to help speed up your process. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
Let's talk about the reasons most people fail with PLR, and more importantly, how you can actually succeed with it if you take the right approach. 1. They never edit it. One of the biggest reasons people fail with PLR is because they treat it like a done-for-you product instead of a foundation to build on, which means they copy and paste it exactly as it is, put it up on a sales page, and expect people to buy. But the reality is, if your audience sees a generic ebook that looks like dozens of others, especially with the same title, same cover, and same bland introduction, they're not going to take it seriously. You need to make it your own, and that starts by rewriting key sections so the tone matches your voice, updating examples so they're relevant to your niche, and giving it a structure that fits the message you're trying to deliver. You don't have to rewrite every single sentence, but if you're not adding anything new, people won't see the value in your version compared to all the others out there. 2. They don't know who they're selling to. Another common mistake is thinking the PLR product will sell itself, so they don't take the time to understand who their target audience is or what they're struggling with. When you try to sell a generic product to a broad audience, you end up connecting with no one, and that's exactly what leads to poor results. Instead, take time to define your ideal customer. What problem are they facing right now? What are they trying to solve? Once you know that, you can go back and position the PLR product in a way that speaks directly to them. That might mean renaming the ebook, adjusting the content to match their level of experience, or adding new sections that address specific challenges they're going through. It's not just about having content, it's about giving someone a solution that feels tailored to them. 3. They don't add value. PLR gives you content, but if you don't enhance it in any way, it just feels like repackaged information, and people can spot that a mile away. If you want to actually sell your PLR, or even use it to build your email list, you've got to add value to it. That might mean turning it into a short video series using the script as a base, or recording your own audio walkthrough explaining key parts, or creating worksheets and checklists to help people apply what they learn. Even something simple like a quick start guide at the beginning can increase the perceived value because it helps the reader take action faster. People don't just want information, they want to feel like the content is going to help them get a result, and adding value bridges that gap. 4. They don't build a funnel. Uploading a PLR product and just hoping for sales is like putting a sign in the middle of the desert and expecting a crowd. You need a system that moves people from interest to purchase, and that's where a simple sales funnel makes all the difference. Start with a free lead magnet. It could be a chapter from your PLR book, or a condensed version of the course. Once someone downloads that, send them to a thank you page with a low-cost offer, then follow up by email with more tips, offers, and value. This builds trust, grows your audience, and makes sure you're not relying on just one sale to succeed. A funnel helps you turn a single PLR product into an income stream by stacking value and offers over time. 5. They don't promote it properly. Even if you've got a solid product and a decent funnel, none of that matters if no one ever sees it. And this is where most people stop trying. They'll post it once on social media or drop a link in a Facebook group, then walk away wondering why nothing happened. The truth is, marketing takes consistent effort. You've got to test different traffic sources. That could be a YouTube video talking about the problem your product solves, a blog post that links to your opt-in page, an email campaign to your list, or even using a tool like CapCut to turn a few points from your PLR into short-form videos. Promoting once is not enough. You need to promote in multiple places in different ways over and over again until it clicks. 6. They ignore AI tools that could make it easier. Back in the day, you had to rewrite PLR manually or hire a ghostwriter, which took time and money. Now, with tools like ChatGPT, you can easily improve the content, rewrite awkward sections, or even reframe the whole topic to suit a different audience. TTS OpenAI can let you turn your text into audio, which means you could turn a rewritten PLR ebook into a podcast or a mini audio course. These AI tools are designed to help speed up your workflow and increase the quality of your products without needing to spend hours doing everything yourself. So if you're not using them, you're missing a huge opportunity to work smarter and create more polished, unique content in less time. 7. They give up too early. Finally, and maybe most importantly, most people don't succeed with PLR because they give up before they've even really tried. They expect instant results, and when the money doesn't come right away, they assume the method is broken. But PLR isn't a business by itself. It's a tool, and like any tool, it works best when it's used with the right mindset and a clear plan. You've got to treat this like a business, not a quick hustle. That means testing things, tweaking your funnel, learning from feedback, and being patient enough to see results over time. You can absolutely succeed with PLR, but you have to stick with it long enough to let the process work. Now let's flip it around. Here's how you can succeed with PLR. Edit your PLR so it feels like something you created. Talk to a specific audience with clear needs and show them how your product solves their problem. Add value with checklists, videos, and extra resources that help people apply what they learn. Use a funnel so you can build your list, increase conversions, and keep selling even after the first product. Promote across multiple platforms and don't rely on just one place for traffic. Use AI to make the process faster and smoother, whether it's rewriting, voicing, or repurposing. And above all, don't quit. If you treat this like a real business and stay focused, PLR can become one of the fastest ways to build a product line, grow your brand, and earn an income online. That's how I use it, and that's what we focus on here at Product Creation Formula.
If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing? Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is an image of a playlist of all the AI videos I've ever created. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.